Hello everyone. Today I explain expansion exercise 3.1 part 2 of class 9. First, simplify the following from 10 to 19 questions. First, you see question number 11, second subpart. Simplify this. A 1 upon a whole square minus time in second bracket a minus 1 upon a whole square. This is very simple questions. First, in first bracket you apply the formula a plus b whole square. In second bracket you apply the formula a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square 1 upon a square plus 2 into a into 1 upon a. In similar way, in second bracket a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2 a into 1 upon a. Here a cancel out. In second bracket a cancel out. Next we open the bracket and change the sign of each term. So a square 1 upon a square plus 2 minus a square minus 1 by a square minus minus will be plus, sign will be changed. So we get a square minus a square will be cancelled, 1 upon a square and minus 1 by a square will be cancelled out. Here these two are cancelled out. We get 2 and 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. This is the answer, final answer. Next question you see, question number 12, first part. 3x minus 1 whole square in first bracket minus times 3x minus 2 in first bracket and multiplied by 3x plus 1 in second bracket. So this one is simple. Simply you can apply formula a minus b whole square, and here simple multiplication of two brackets. Now a is 3x and b is 1. So 3x whole square 9x square 1 square is 1 minus 2 into a into b means 2 into 3x into 1. Okay, here is minus sign. Now we simply multiply these two bracket, 3x into 3x 9x square, 3x into 1 3x minus 2 into 3x minus 6x and minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Next we open this bracket and change the sign of each term. Our first bracket as is same, 9x square plus 1 3 into 2 6x. Now open this bracket, sign the term of each term, change the sign of each term, minus 9x square minus 3x minus minus will be plus and minus minus will be plus again plus 2. So 9x square plus here and 9x square minus cancel out, minus 6x and plus 6x cancel out, and we get 1 plus 2 3 and minus 3x. 3 minus 3x is also answer, and if we take common 3 then 1 minus x is also answer. Either you can write this answer or you can write this answer, both are correct. Okay, next you see question number 14, second subpart. 3x plus y minus 5 in first bracket and in second bracket 3x minus y minus 5 bracket close. So here we arrange this question in the form a square minus b square. We want to arrange this question in the form a square minus b square. So here you see 3x minus 5 put together and y aside. Again 3x minus 5 put together and y aside. So 3x minus 5, suppose that is a and y is b. Here is also 3x minus 5 in one bracket and y is b. So this question in the form a square minus b square. A is 3x minus 5 and b is y. So using formula a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so this one is 3x minus 5 whole square minus y square. Now again you see this is the form of a minus b whole square. This one is a minus b whole square. As you know, a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in the first bracket we apply a minus b whole square. 3x whole square 9x square 5 whole square 25 and 2ab 5 into 3 15 into 2 30 minus 30x and minus y square, and that is a final answer. Now you see the question number 16, second subpart. 2x plus y plus 5 and 2x plus y minus 9. We solve this question using this formula x plus a and x plus b equal to x square in first bracket a plus b multiplied by x into ab. So for that we arrange it in the form of x plus a and x plus b. So y plus 5 in one bracket and y minus 9 in second bracket. So here as on comparing with here x is 2x, x is 2x, okay, and a is y plus 5 and b is y minus 9. Now simply we put in this formula x in a place of x, we put 2x, in a place of a we put y plus a, and in a place of b we put y minus 9. So we get 2x plus y plus 5, 2x plus y minus 9, 2x whole square, a plus b, y plus 5 plus y minus 9 multiplied by x. X means 2x, and then a into b, y plus 5 and y minus 9. You see 2x whole square, 4x square, y plus y 2y, and 5 minus 9 minus 4, and 2x multiplied, and multiply these two are using the formula. Again this formula using here a capital X is y and a is 5 and b is minus 9. So y square a plus b into y and ab. Here a is x is y, a is 5 and b is minus 9. Again you use this formula, again you use this formula. So we get, and first two term are same. So y square plus 5 plus minus 9 into y, 5 into minus 9. Okay, after solving we get this answer. Okay, you can solve this question normally multiplying by two brackets. If in question not mention using suitable identity or using suitable formula. If in question not mention, if there is a not mention using suitable identity like that or using suitable formula like that, then you can solve simply multiplication one bracket to another bracket. Okay, no need of this. Next one you see question number 18, second subpart, x minus 3 upon x in first bracket, in second bracket x square plus 3 plus 9 upon x square. You can solve this question by simply multiplication of two brackets or using the identity. Here we solve this question using the identity. So for that here we use the identity a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, a minus b in one bracket, a square plus ab plus b square in second bracket. So first to suppose that x is a and 3 upon x is b. So second brackets you see x square means a, b 9 upon x square means 3 upon x whole square, 3 upon x whole square, that is b. Now ab 3 can be written as 3. This 3 can be written as x into 3 upon x, means multiply by x and divide by x. So this number first x a and second term is b. Here we multiply by x and divide by x to make this formula in the form is ab, in the form ab, for making in the form ab we multiply by x and divide by x. Otherwise no need, you can directly write it a cube minus b cube if you know. So this one is a cube minus b cube, means x cube minus 3 upon x whole cube, x cube as it is, and 3 cube is 27 upon x cube, that is the answer. And this question you can solve directly by simple multiplication if not mention using formula or using identity. Alright, next here we consider some more questions. So you see in this question number 20, find the product of the following. I consider question number 20 first subpart, product of the following. So you find the product of this question directly if not mentioned using formula, but here I solve this question using suitable identity. So suitable identity is here x plus a, x plus b and x plus c equal to x cube plus in second bracket a plus b plus c x square plus ab plus bc plus ca multiplied by x then plus abc. Now you see here comparing a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to 3. So we put a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to 3. So we get x plus 1 in first bracket, x plus 2 in second bracket, x plus 3 in third bracket, and then x cube a plus b plus c, a 1 plus 2 plus 3 into x square, then ab 1 into 2, bc 2 into 3. Simply put the value of a, b, c and ca 3 into 1 bracket close, then x. Next one is a into b into c. You see the answer, x cube 1 plus 2 plus 3 6, x square 1 into 2 2, that is 2, and 2 into 3 6 and 3. So 2 plus 3 plus 6, that is 8 plus 11. 2 plus 6 8 and plus 3 is 11. 1 into 2, 2 into 3 6, so 3 into 1 11x, and 1 into 2 into 3 6. That is answer, final answer. Okay, next see question number 22. If a square plus 4a plus x equal to a plus 2 whole square, then find the value of x. This question is very simple. Find out the value of x. Simply you write the questions: a square plus 4a plus x, a plus 2 whole square. On left hand side write down each term as it is, 4a plus x. In right hand side apply the formula a plus b whole square. So a square 2 whole square is 4 and plus 2ab, that is 4a. So you see a square is cancel out and 4a is cancel out. So we get x equal to 4. That is answer.